Hello and welcome to this course entitled Crypto Passive Profits. We are going to start with this first introductory lecture, which is named Introduction to Crypto Wealth. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss about three main methods that we are going to cover in this course about how to generate passive income from cryptocurrency, which is a trend at the moment and it's starting to become widely adopted. So let's move on. Here are the three methods of passive earnings that we are going to discuss about in this course. The first one is staking cryptocurrencies, which means basically that there are platforms where you can deposit your different types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And because of staking them there, basically you are putting them in a side deposit, and most of the times you don't have access to them for a limited period of time. Basically you will earn an interest on that crypto. Then we have the second method, which is lending. There are platforms like the peer-to-peer lending platforms, where, for example, if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other type of cryptocurrency, you can lend that cryptocurrency and you earn an interest on that. Usually it's somewhere between 10% and goes up to even 25, 30, 40% per year, depending on the cryptocurrency. But the average and the one that you should consider is the, let's say, somewhere between the 10 and 12%, okay? And then we have the third method, which is copy trade platforms. There are a lot of platforms which allow you to copy different traders. These are trading platforms where people trade cryptocurrency, and obviously there are some people there who are professional traders and do this as someone would do a normal job, and they are professional at that, and you can see their results and you can copy them. Okay, so these are the three things we are going to talk about, the three methods that we are going to talk about that allows you to generate passive income from cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next. Hello and welcome back to this next lecture from this course on how to create passive income from cryptocurrency. We are going to discuss about creating your accounts on different platforms, and these are some general things. So which are the things we are going to discuss about? Basically, all of these platforms, given the fact that they work with people's money, they need to have a high degree of security for all of their users, including you and other users as well. So that is why they need to verify your person very, very well to see that you are the real person, that you exist, you are the actual holder of the account that you create. So when you are going to create the account, you are going to have to fill in different forms with your name, phone number, address, and so on. Okay, but these are like the main general things that they will require, or the list. Okay, and in order for them to be able to verify your account and basically give you permission to do different types of transactions, they will also require from you a couple of things in order to get you verified. And one of the first things that they will require is a copy or a photo of your national identity card, a front photo and a back photo. Then they will require a utility bill or bank statement in order to confirm your address. And then they will require a selfie or a photo of your face, okay, to basically match the ID photo so that they can see you are that actual person. These are the general things. Now, depending on the platform, they might require from you other stuff as well, okay, other documents that you need to provide to them. But these are the main things, and you should prepare this ahead before actually going into this. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.